Well guys, today we have this Golf and we're gonna wrap it, and in order to wrap it we have to remove two things from this door at least: the mirror and the handle. I'm gonna show you how to remove both. So if you see here on the side, there's these two rubber caps, and the bottom one, it's the one that releases the bumper, the handle. So you're gonna have to insert a driver, and you're gonna have to feel it goes slightly on an angle, like upwards, and when you push, actually just came off. It's that simple. And if you want to put it back in, you just, that's it. So a bit of an angle, you push, that's it. That's simple. Then obviously you have to remove the cable. This blue tab, pull it away. I like to use this just to give it some help. Disconnect. That's how we do it. Some tape here in case it goes inside, but it's just so we can stick it on the side and it doesn't fall. Now, next thing is want to remove the mirror. To remove the mirror, first you're gonna have to remove this door. And to remove the door, then you need some prying tools. I like to use this one. Okay, it's some sort of metal that does not scratch. It's really good. So first thing is you need to pop this cover. There's a screw there or a bolt, and there's this one here. Put this here, and then you need 10 millimeter, because right here there is a tab and you need to turn it a quarter. You need to turn it a little bit so it perfectly aligns with the hole, so then you can pop this out. So that's what I'm going to do. So we have to rotate a little bit more. Okay, almost there. Too much. I think we are good. Then now you need this. This prying tool, I like to use this one because it gives a good leverage. Sometimes it's easier than others. Okay, let me see if this is perfectly aligned. That one is good. So, okay, there you go. As soon as you have one, then you can put your fingers and, okay, that releases the bottom. Now you have these bolts. Swap this to the big one. Okay. You remove one. 2, okay. And then you just finish. There we go. And now you just slide it. Oh, there was another one there. Okay. Slide it up and it comes out like that. Now these two bolts here, they hold the mirror. You gotta remove them both. So this is a Torx. I think this is number 30. It's enough now. Now, this is the cable. So there's something here that we like to do. Here it's just basically you pull the red tab, you push in the black, it releases. Here you pull the red, you push in the black, and it releases. Then you just have to shove this inside. And now you just have to go all the way around, and there is a pillar here. So now when you put it back, you want to make sure that it's going to be as easy as possible. At least that's what I always try to do. So grab some tape, and I'll use the tape these together, and you will understand why in a second. So then, okay, we're gonna pull it from the outside, and you will see why I use that tape. That's gonna help it, pushing it in. Now it's gonna come out this way. So now you put the tape, so we can reattach it to the cable, to the tape later, and we don't have to take anything apart. So we're gonna use the tape to kind of fish it. We just don't want the tape to break. Stuck. Okay, got it. Yep. There you go. Now I cut it here. So now when you want to put it back, basically you just attach the tape to this, give it a few more laps, and then you just pull on the tape. That way you don't have to take anything further apart. Because if you have to remove the rest of the panel or the speaker, that's going to be a lot more work. So that's it for today. Cheers.